Hey guys, so you have to hear this weird story that I found on Reddit about a husband that attacked the neighbors. So I found it on the subreddit True Off My Chest, which has some awesome stories. I love it. Check it out. But anyways, guys, listen to the story and let me know what you think about the husband's actions, and do you think that they were warranted or if they were just too far. Okay, here we go. My husband attacked our neighbors and I'm concerned. This couple moved into our neighborhood in January and I've been having strange interactions with him. The first time I crossed paths with him, I was taking my younger child on a walk. He was jogging and he approached me. He asked me if I was a stay-at-home mom and I said yes. He told me that he works from home and that he'll see me around. Then he commented that I had a good-looking family. So then he asked when my 12-year-old son gets home from school and when my husband gets off of work. I answered without even thinking about it, and he made a comment about my son being a heartbreaker at school. Never trust somebody that's asking for your family schedule that you don't even know. That's weird. That's just super weird. I felt so uncomfortable after that conversation. I avoid him as much as I can, but he has approached me several times since. Each time he's made a comment about my older son's looks. Now my son is a beautiful child, and I'm really used to getting the compliments, but I feel that this is extremely off. One of the weirdest moments is that he offered to keep the kids entertained if I wanted to take a day to myself. Then he chuckled and said, "But your husband probably wouldn't like that." Okay, that's creepy. My son likes to ride his bike around the neighborhood and I've been feeling nervous about that. I've been really avoiding taking my children on walks like I usually do. It feels like he just waits for us to leave our house. I finally told my husband what was going on Monday evening, and he was not pleased. He told me that he would talk to him next time that he sees him. And yesterday, he did. We were outside with the children and the man was getting his mail. My husband told me that he would be back. I felt apprehensive about it, but I didn't try and stop him. He approached him and then they talked for maybe a minute before my husband escalated it to violence. He shoved the man to the pavement and then walked away. It would have been a disaster if this man was injured or killed. Hard pavement is so dangerous, and if he reports this, my husband could get in trouble at work. I came over to my husband and he said, "I see that look on your face. Relax, I handled it, and that's it." I know he was protecting our child and it was more than deserved, and I'm relieved. I'm just worried about the risk. Okay, now this story is I don't know. This one was really creepy because that neighbor, I don't trust him at all. I would be so creeped out. I would not trust somebody that's making any comments unnecessarily about my kids. That would make me weirded out. And I don't even blame the dad or the husband. Honestly, I don't blame them because I would want to fight somebody for being weird like that too. But I mean, what example are you leaving for your kids? So although I don't, I kind of understand why the dad went and whipped his ass. Probably wasn't the best, the best route to take. But as for the neighbor, they need to check out sex offenders list and figure out who this guy is because I don't trust him. I really don't. No random person just offers to watch your kids for you like that. That's kind of weird. So you guys let me know in the comments what you guys think about this whole situation. And stay tuned for my next story. I'm looking for more stories. I'm in more subreddits, and so I have more content coming for you guys. Also, let me know which one of these two pics you like the best. Are you more into the pink one or the rainbow?